As the summer winds down, school districts are continuing to get ready to welcome students back to the classrooms. News 10's Elise Corville explains how one school district is taking the last 2 COVID years and turning them into a learning lesson.
St. Landry Parish's 2022-23 school vision is focusing on reconnecting, rebuilding, and relationships. Superintendent Patrick Jenkins says COVID is not going away, but admits it is time to move on and learn from the obstacles it brought educators and students.
There are some great opportunities out there in terms of being able to move forward.
St. Landry Parish students will begin the school year with a staggered A-B schedule. A students will start on Wednesday, August 11th. B students will start Thursday, August 12th. All students will attend school Monday, August 15th.
You got excited, well, you got to get excited, right? It's getting close. The kids are about to get here. Almost 12,000 smiling faces will be in front of you.
But before teachers head back to the whiteboard and students to their desks, Superintendent Jenkins says it is time to reset. He says for 2 years, COVID has been a headache inside and outside schools, but is calling on everyone to adjust and move forward. He says the first way is to reconnect.
We have to be able to reconnect with the community. We have to reconnect with our children. We have to reconnect with each other because we've been separated in many forms of fashions. So it's critically important that the reconnection takes place.
Jenkins says it is time to rebuild what was lost during COVID.
When I say rebuild, we'll talk about rebuilding relationships in the community, rebuilding our facilities. We want to be able to have facilities, even though that they're old, to be the best that they possibly can be.
Finally, and following this school year's vision, work on and take back relationships inside school walls.
It improves us academically. It improves us, it decreases the number of discipline referrals that you have. It also works on the morale of your students and your staff.
And to see all the announcements and schedules before the first day of school, you can visit our website, klfy.com. Reporting in St. Landry Parish, Elise Corville, KLFY News 10.